Okay, so ayun na nga. I just came from the store, actually a restaurant. So I picked up our dinner for tonight. So earlier this week, I always crave seafood, so it's mostly every weekend. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the Filipino in me, but I'm just used to always having seafood in the table every weekend, especially. So ayun. So I was craving seafood, and there's this one restaurant. It's only 10 minutes away from our house that sells really good seafood. So we got a whole lot of crabs and some shrimp with corn, potatoes, and sausages. Sausages is my favorite thing, and parang it has a sauce na spicy. Extra spicy actually yung kinuha namin with sweet spicy. So I don't know, anybody from California would actually probably know boiling crab, but it's not boiling crab. Okay, so ibang ano siya, ibang restaurant siya that sells almost the same thing, but it's really good. It's actually I think it's better than boiling crab. Sorry, boiling crab. So, ayun. So, I'll show you guys what we got. So, we got 4 clusters of snow crabs. I believe 1.5 pounds of shrimp. And then potatoes, corn, and of course sausages. I love sausages in the seafood boil. So, and then the sauce would be a mixture of their spicy and sweet. So it's the whole ordeal. So it's oh my god. So ito, sample lang to. This is the shrimp. And if you guys can see that, that's the shrimp. Tapos apat na ganito, 4 clusters of snow crab. So yes, I am a big fan of crabs. I actually can eat any crab, but Steve loves the bigger ones. I guess because it has more meat. So I don't know if that's focusing, but 4 clusters is like 4 ganito, like parang it's connected still with the legs and stuff, and it's connected with the body. So apat na ganito. So ang dami. Oh my god, I don't think he realized na ganon kadami yung 4 clusters. So he ordered a lot actually, and this is a lot. So we're gonna transfer it into a nice dish or plating dish, so we can you guys can see how it looks like. Okay, so I'll show you guys how I transfer everything, and it will look amazing together. So I have this clear dish, so we'll just transfer everything in here, and yeah. Oh my god, this is a lot. Oh guys, you see the meat? Oh Lord. So good. It is a whole crab. Sausages. I ordered this last, kaya naka-separate siya. But normally if you order this together with your order, then they would mix it with the sauce. But that's completely fine. So I believe these are andouille sausages, and those are the typical sausages that they use on seafood boils here. So yeah. And the shrimp. Ayun. Oh my gosh. This is extra spicy. And I always prefer the shrimp on, the shrimp skin on, just because it's more juicier and tastier when the skin is still on. Steve hates peeling shrimp, but I just actually peel it for him at the end of the day. Every time we eat shrimp with the skin on, I always end up peeling stuff for him. So, but it's okay. I like to, ang sarap isak yung shrimp. So, ayun, I just actually opened 2 clusters of crabs. At ang dami na niya. Oh my gosh, paano to? Ang dami nito. As I said, I don't think Steve realized that he's ordering so much food. Ang dami niyang in-order. Kala siguro niya maliliit tong clusters ng crab. Pero this was one order. Ito. I think they actually gave us some extra food. Because one cluster is like this. This is one cluster like this right here. We ordered 4 cluster. May 4 bags kaming ganito na may isang cluster. Pero the one bag that I opened has 2 of them. So they gave us extra food, which is fine. I'm not complaining. Oh my god, look at this food. So good. And then for the kiddos, kasi ayaw nila ng crab tsaka shrimp. I don't know why. I don't know. Kasi when we get the crab and shrimp, it's spicy. Pero in general, they just don't like shrimp and crab. So I got them. I went to the Filipino store. The Filipino store was just not too far from the crab restaurant, the crab place. So I got them their favorite Filipino dish. Is that your favorite, Cass? Consider, okay. So, it's actually just bihon and some lumpia. And I'm so glad na malapit lang kami sa Filipino store kasi I always crave or miss Filipino food. So, bihon. Ooh, they hooked us up. They gave us a lot of bihon. So, yan, bihon. Tapos, may lumpia kasi Bella loves lumpia. And this one's perfect for her kasi maliliit. Oh, she hooked us up too. Supposed to be, 4 pieces. I think she said 4 pieces for $3. Pero look, ang dami niyang binigay. Which is good. Baka kasi they were already closing. It's not closing, but I went there when it was 6:30. Tapos wala masyadong tao. So, I guess they just gave us that. I mean, that's good. Oh, thank you. Tapos, sauce ng lumpia. Ayan. The kids are gonna have a really good dinner. They love this. Plus rice, of course. Okie dokie. Dinner. Yummy. Yummy, Bella? Yes, and look at that. It's all ours. Sarap, of course. Konting rice. Konti ba yan?
The last words of the crab.
Yummy. What are you guys eating? Bella, show your food.
I will showcase it. I mean, this
What is that? Lumpia?
lumpia and rice.
And rice.
This is my actual plate, if you're asking, because I'm not eating all that in one sitting.
If you want to take my food,
Here,
Oh, guys,
here, eat.
Oh my gosh! Come on. Yes, look at that.
this is a banana.
No, it's not. So, sauce and then suka na may asin at garlic.
What are you talking about, Mom? I'm feeding you. Here, baby.
Oh my, look at that crab. Fresh snow crab.
Okay.
With the sauce.
Good food.
What do the voice, the language two, and then the little crab bomb or anything funny?
Oh my god, so good. You know when it's fresh, when it tastes sweet. Okay, these girls don't eat crabs or shrimp. Let's do the shrimp. Some people throw the head away, but I actually suck it. So good.
Why? Why is that?
There's meat inside, that's why.
What?
Sarap. Yummy, eh? So yeah, I could feel that spice.
Really yummy.
Shrimp.
If you want to eat shrimp with rice, yes.
We're not even eating shrimp.
I do only the little one. Only the little ones.
So good. Mommy's favorite sausage.
I eat
Sausage.
shrimp flavored chips. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, dinner is done. Are you full?
Yeah.
Busog? Say busog.
I don't want to say
Busog. Full. So I finished a lot. So let me show you the aftermath. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ito. Look at the aftermath. So I finished parang like 2 clusters. Parang 2 sets ng ano. My gosh. Sarap. Sarap. So good.
It's scary. It's scary.
And I still have a little bit more left for tomorrow. Ayan. Yummers. Yummy. Kalami.
It's scary.
It's good. Alright, that is for our day today. We will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.